as shit. I'm afraid it's going to dent my 63 Impala. Yeah, right. Man, this is horrible. I put covers on the Corvette and our family car. Oh, it's bad. Coming on in the garage. Watch him be gone in just 5 seconds. Stupid radio. That was horrible. Some places got hail as big as a quarter. This is kind of small. We were kind of easy. Got it easy, I guess.
Don't pay too much for your mortgage.
Guess that's all over.
CapCenter.com and see how much
Moving, they said, about 55 miles an hour, so look at that shit, almost like drifting like snow. Oh, now I got some lightning. Oh well. Never a dull moment in Richmond. Thunder. Expecting lightning to hit my ass here in a minute. Wow. Temperature dropped about 30 degrees, I guess. Probably snowing tomorrow.
Music is now on and it starts now on 95.3 K95.
Nothing stops that thing from flying.